In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete websites on Squarespace. As you can see, I'm on my Squarespace dashboard right now of this website and I want to delete this website. I'm going to show you step by step how to delete this website from my Squarespace account. So what you want to do first, you want to go to the top left corner over here and you want to hit the Squarespace logo. So this will bring you over to your dashboard and here you can see all your current websites. As you can see, I currently only have one website, and what you have to do to delete this, you have to go to the right, hit the three dots, and then you can see it over here. So when you hit delete, hit delete, and there you go. You successfully deleted your Squarespace website from your account. You can see it says nothing created yet because you deleted it successfully. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.